Welcome to this episode of Island by Film. My name is Wes. Today we're going to be just taking a quick look at the NEEWER Clip-On 67mm ND2 to 32 magnetic phone lens filter kit. So this is designed to fit the Pro Max size phones, and I currently have an iPhone 13, so I wanted to order this to see if by chance it would fit this. I want to share with you the unboxing and then of course my experience and how it mounts to your iPhone, give you an idea whether or not this is a product that you might want to consider purchasing yourself. So obviously this is made by NEEWER. This is a very common budget line of gear that you'll see often sold on Amazon and other retail sellers. It runs a 67mm magnetic style filter adapter on here, which I thought was quite unique. I was quite attracted to that idea. Not quite sure what I think yet about this, but let's get looking at this thing and give it a quick unboxing and see what the quality of the product looks like. So first of all, pretty solid packaging, pretty standard. Let's open this thing up and see what it looks like. Firstly, you have your manual right here. Set that off to the side. You have a nice, looks like a nice case. Put that box off to the side. You'll see you have a NEEWER case right there. It's a nice zip case. Let's unzip that quickly and take a look at what it looks like. Okay, right away you're greeted with a pretty standard polishing cloth right here for your filter. Nice solid packaging for this. Looks like it's going to keep it well protected. Looks like it's got a foam insert as well too. That foam insert should make sure that this doesn't get damaged in transport. Let's pull this whole filter system out and take a look at it. Okay, so first of all, you can see it's got some decent weight to it. I'll put the weight in the description below. You can see right here automatically it clicks in. It's magnetic, just as it says. Seems to hold quite well. I don't think I would have any issues with this falling off of the mount for any reason whatsoever, the filter falling off. Quite large though at 67mm. Feels a bit heavy. One of the reasons why I decided to purchase this was to use it on a gimbal that I own, and I wonder if this will even handle that, because the gimbal that I have allows for a maximum of, I think, 500 grams of weight, including the phone. So this is got some weight to it for sure. It's got a screw type mount system here that actually will tighten it onto the front of the screen. That could potentially be problematic if you over torque this on there, so I think you probably have to be fairly careful. But let's pull this filter off right here, set it to the side. First of all, this is a variable ND filter. This goes from ND2 to ND32. So let's take a look and see how this mounts. You'll see firstly that like I said, I've got the iPhone 13. It's designed to kind of fit around the notch right here. You'll see seems to be a bit big for this phone. I think it's really designed for the Max and Pro Max, but I mean it fits for sure. You can see right here it's got a fairly decent fitment on there, and then it's as simple as putting this on there and it kind of locks in place. What's neat about it is I was wondering how the variable ND portion would work if the whole thing is spinning in the actual filter frame, but it looks like it's got a position lock right here where it stays nice and firm and rotates. I've got no case on this right now, and you know, I think it probably works best on a naked iPhone as well. Depending on the case you have, that could be an issue, but you do have a bit of flexibility here. And you'll see right here, this filter just seems to close and open, and that variability for your ND just fine. Overall, it seems like a pretty decent product. I'm a bit concerned that it's not going to be tight enough to keep on my iPhone. Anyway, this is just a quick look and quick review at this NEEWER variable ND filter system. I'm going to try next the clip-on style. I think that might be a bit more convenient to clip on, clip off as needed. Overall, I'd say the build quality is great. It's all metal. You can see there's an actual hot shoe add-on right here. So if you're doing any kind of video and you want to add, say, a video light or a mic or anything like that, you could add that onto here, which is kind of a nice touch as well too. So overall, really decent build quality. I think if you have the Pro Max phones, this is probably going to be a good option for you to be able to add an ND filter on and have the convenience of, you know, that magnetic connection right there. So anyway, quick video, just an unboxing, quick first impressions and review of this newer product, this variable magnetic ND filter system for the iPhone. So thanks for joining me on Island by Film. If you like this kind of content and you find this helpful, please feel free and like and subscribe, and just leave your comments below so that I know exactly what you guys are looking for from my channel. Thanks again. My name is Wes and this is Island by Film.